In Linux we don't need to Google unknown commands, because almost everything in Linux has a man page and help status for each command. And there is some other commands that we will discuss on this tutorial. So let's get started. Firstly, we have man command, which is an interface to the online reference manuals. Man pages or manual pages allow us to get all information and options of the command. That gives us the ability to know what almost everything in Linux work, and how to use it. Other way to get information about available options and the command itself is -h option or -help option. Which will give us a basic understanding of what we can do with command. We also have whatis command that we used before in previous tutorial to get a one-line manual page descriptions. This can be very useful when we need to just know what is any command can do, which command to locate command location, and info. Info is not very different from man pages, but it is more readable and more user-friendly. Note that if you don't have info command on your system, you can just install it with apt-get install info. And now, we can read and deal uncount commands without leaving our terminals.